Hey guys, it's Bethanya Slime. Welcome to another video. Today I will be making butter slime. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. So what you're going to need is a bowl to mix in, something to mix with. I'm using a knife because I'll also be able to spread it after. Some shampoo. I'm pretty sure any kind works. Some cornstarch, and some baby oil. So, the first thing I'm going to do is put in a little bit of my cornstarch at a time. You're going to want to make sure to only put half of the amount of cornstarch compared to the amount of cornstarch you have in all. Then add my shampoo and mix that in. And it's supposed to turn out to be like a toothpaste consistency, it said, when you're done. I'm going to add a little bit more shampoo. And this is clear shampoo, so it will be white. And if you're using like blue shampoo, it will possibly be blue. Okay. So I'm going to keep mixing this, and I'll be back. Alright, so it's not really turning out to be a toothpaste consistency as it's supposed to be. So I'm going to add more shampoo until it gets that toothpaste consistency that we're looking for. Now, it's kind of cool that you can make slime without glue, but keep in mind this is butter slime and not just any slime. So, I think this is the right consistency, but it should still be very sticky. So what you're going to want to do is add some cornstarch, little by little at a time, until it is like a dough. Okay, so now that it's almost at the right consistency, I'm just going to add a little over top, and then we're going to add our baby oil, and that might also help with the stickiness, but mine isn't sticky, it's just all over me because of the powder. Now I'm just going to try and pick everything up so we're not wasting any. Okay, there we go. So, now we're going to open this up, and my hands are a mess. And this is child lock. I think you have to push down and turn. Okay, struggle. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit until I like the texture it has. I'm going to test it out. Oh my gosh, it did rip, but that's because the knife is all sticky. That is amazing. Okay, guys, gotta love it. And also, this doesn't dry out, which is very cool to me. I really like it that way. because it's honestly, I don't know, really cool. And if it's getting too sticky, you're just going to add a bit of your cornstarch, and you'll lose your stickiness. And then if you really want it to make poking noise, you can add glue. But, I mean, this is cool. And it's cool enough. I could, like, wash my desk because there's soap stuff all over it. Now, we're going to just put our fingers through. It really spreads nicely. So, bye guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.